Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to find photos in Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So first, let's open the Gallery application, and for example, let's imagine that we wanna hide these 3 photos. So just select them, then tap on the right down corner to more icon, and then click here Move to Secure Folder. So let's just tap to continue. Now we should wait a couple of seconds while our device creating the secure folder. Now we should add just the PIN code or password or pattern. Let's use the pattern to the secure folder. Click continue. Let's just add it once again. Tap to active. Click to next, and now we can see that we're just moving the items to secure folder. Just to find this secure folder, we should just here in the apps menu tap to secure folder, or just maybe you will find it on your device home screen. Just didn't see it here. So let's just here enter the secure folder, or also we can find it here on the notification panel shortcuts somewhere here. In my case it's here. Just tap to hold it for a while to open the secure folder, or just here in the app search let's enter the secure, open it, draw your pattern or enter the PIN code or password. Here let's use the gallery, and now we can see here there's our 2 previously added photos. If you want to remove your photos from the secure folder, just select them, tap to more, and move out of secured folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.